This is my project. It is basically taking in sound through the microphone, sorting that sound into frequency bins. The frequency will determine what color is displayed on the NeoPixel, and the frequency will be displayed most accurate, as accurate as I can get it on the OLED. If it is below 500 hertz, it'll be red. If it's between 500 and 1000, it'll be yellow. Between 1000 and 2000, it'll be green. Between 2 and 3, it'll be blue. And above 3000 hertz, it should be purple. Above 3000, doing much higher was kind of hard and it hurt my ears, so I stopped. Go over the circuit construction as well as a problem and proposed solution for the device. From my Pico, I have the 3 volts going into the power rail. This is powering my microphone and the OLED. The output from the microphone is going into ADC0, goes into the ground. Everything is grounded in the same power rail. For the OLED, the corresponding SDA and SCL are going into the Pico. For the NeoPixel, it's going into the 5 volts. The output the DIN is going into GP20, and same ground. One of the problems was constant noise, even in my quiet room. It would detect about 1 to 500 hertz, sometimes 6 to 800 hertz. A lot of the problems I found were literally the wiring, because it would sometimes even pick up 5000 hertz in my quiet room until I would move a wire or move the mic, and then it would fix and it would get better. I tried adding a resistor for clarity at one point from the microphone into the ground, same where my output is going. That didn't work. It didn't make anything better, so I ended up taking it out for simplicity. I think the microphone is low-key just bad and broken, so I had a lot of sound being picked up, and it thought it was quite loud. I originally had proposed to do a sound level changing the pattern on here, i.e. I was going to have really loud make this very bright, and I coded that and it worked. However, it thought everything was loud, so when I said it was picking up 5 to 800 hertz sometimes and 1 to 500, this would shine extremely bright yellow and extremely bright red. So the code worked, however, my room was quiet. Even adding thresholds and cutoffs was not working. I ended up having to scrap that. I also wanted to originally put the sound level with the frequency on the OLED, but since I scrapped the whole sound level component, so now I only have frequency here and color here. I think a proposed solution would be 2 power sources. Instead of having all 3 things into my same Pico, I think 2 circuits and separating the NeoPixel would have helped a lot, as well as a different microphone. I think this microphone caused me torture. La 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 la. Before I play it, just in my room, and then this is 800. Yellow. It looks like yellow if you're in my room. Before I play this, cover your ears. I'm going deaf. Green. Green. Can you hear me? We should get blue, okay? Whoa. Test of the frequency bins. Please cover your ears. Purple is what we should get. Oh, I think I'm breaking the microphone. Please stay purple. Please stay purple. I think we're doing great. Oh. Gotta hold it close. I'm barely at the threshold. I want to see how low I could go and still make purple. Understand how many hours I've been doing this. Hold on. I'm gonna be quiet. So basically, it's supposed to be very dim when it's quiet. And it shouldn't be changing to yellow. Yellow's a higher frequency. Maybe you guys can hear it, because I can't hear the higher frequency. Okay, I'm gonna show the frequency being displayed here. I'm gonna probably stop the video and then restart with no sound because it's gonna start hurting, but we're gonna start at 3 something. We'll start at 349. Should be red. About 350, perfect. Gonna move above 500, should be yellow. Perfect, we're at 715, it's literally 1 off.